There are a few types of videos that you can create for your gaming channel that will set it up for success right out of the gate. What's up, everybody? I'm Dan, and this is vidIQ, the YouTube growth channel that is obsessed with creators just like yourselves. And today, I'd like to ask you something. What was the very first gaming video like that you made for your channel? And I'll share mine. Mine was a very simple Minecraft Let's Play. And for those who don't know, a Minecraft Let's Play is basically when somebody just starts commentating as they're playing Minecraft. A Let's Play could be done for any game. These videos are not only easy to make, but just a lot of fun. But even at a time when things were less competitive on YouTube than they are now, I personally wasn't able to grow just making this style of content. And a lot of people start YouTube this way, just kind of making content for themselves rather than catering it to an audience. And I think it's because the biggest personalities in this space can get away with doing just that, and we watch them, and that's how we get our inspiration when we first get started. But once I started making videos that offered some kind of inherent value, everything on my YouTube channel changed practically overnight, and that's what I want to help you do today. So what does it mean to make a video with inherent value? And some of these types of videos you may have heard of before, while others might be new to you. The first one I'm going to talk about, though, is the one I mentioned to people the most, which is the how-to video. Each time you can answer a question about your game with a video, you set yourself up to get discovered by new viewers. If you can immerse yourself in the communities around the game you play on your channel and look for questions that you can answer in the form of a how-to video, that's the easiest way to come up with new how-to video ideas. Of course, the YouTube search bar can also be your friend here. For example, you can type the name of the game and the words how-to after it. Or you could type how-to and then the name of your game and start to see the results that auto-populate in the list. And at vidIQ, we have our own tools that can help you do something similar, but then have an easy way to look at how those keywords are ranking. Here you can type in a handful of keywords that you think might be trending or you would like to just see how they're doing in general. Among other things, this score is the result of folks searching for the keyword versus how much content is actually available using those keywords. Be sure to visit the description and download vidIQ today if you have not already. Now, I know this next suggestion might seem a little bit overdone, but I promise you, people still really like listicle videos. Listicles are great for learning a lot of things in a short amount of time. For example, you could go over your top 10 weapons in a game, or your top 7 Minecraft fails, the top 5 changes coming in the next update for your game. These types of videos can take a bit more time to research, but that sort of work tends to pay off in spades when you launch the video. For lack of a better name for this one, I'll call it update content. This is a fantastic way to keep your audience up to date on things going on within the game itself. Some great examples of this are games like Minecraft or Fortnite, who are always adding new content throughout the year. Start covering updates to your game the second you learn about them. A good tip here would be to turn on notifications for the social media account or accounts of the games you're playing on your channel. The sooner you can turn a video around after that announcement, the more success you're going to have with content that covers game updates. This next idea is going to require a little bit of creativity on your part, but I like to call it speculative content. And if you're really clever, you can actually combine listicle and update content a little bit, and some games are just perfect for this. But see if you can speculate on the changes that are coming to your game in a video. An example might be top 20 things we need in Minecraft in 2021. A great time to make a video like this would be when you start to notice rumors spreading around about the game's next update. Or perhaps you feel that your game was overdue for some new content because it's been a while since there's been an update. This type of video allows you to get really creative with the things that you'd like to see, and it prompts you to start a very engaging discussion with your audience, which is never a bad thing. The most important thing I want you to take away from this, though, is when you're first starting out on YouTube, unfortunately, nobody cares about you just yet. I know that sounds really harsh, but this is a reality that I wish I had realized when I first started on YouTube. And nobody says you have to make only this content, but if you can fit any of these 4 types of videos into your content schedule, you're going to notice some pretty big changes. Because every time you make a video that can provide a lot of value to a lot of people who have never seen you before, that's how you start to get your name out there and build that audience. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you next time.